Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us. Today, we take a deep dive into the current condition of Highway 288. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Highway 288. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see here, Highway 288 is in good condition. There are a few minor issues that we'd like to bring to light. For starters, Highway 288 has minor cracks and minor road repair patches. Basically, it is normal wear on a highway that gets as much traffic as Highway 288. The road seams present other issues. The road seams, particularly those that are uneven, poorly maintained, or improperly aligned on Highway 288, can pose several risks to automobiles over time. Road seams such as the type on Highway 288 are found where two sections of pavement meet, such as expansion joints, construction joints, or repaired cracks. Such bumps or gaps in the driving surface can cause problems for some drivers. When a vehicle repeatedly travels over sharp or raised road seams, it can lead to accelerated wear on tires, misalignment of suspension components, and increased stress on the steering system. Also, the skid marks you see on Highway 288 may be visual evidence of sudden or extreme braking, acceleration, or loss of control by a vehicle. FYI, skid marks typically appear when tires abruptly slide across the pavement due to hard braking, sharp turning, or rapid increase in acceleration. In some cases, skid marks may suggest reckless driving, such as speeding, drifting, or street racing. Additionally, the heavy traffic on Highway 288 can pose significant dangers to automobiles and their occupants, beyond just causing delays. In the dense, stop-and-go conditions on Highway 288, the risk of rear-end collisions increases sharply, especially if drivers are distracted or following too closely. Frequent braking and sudden lane changes can strain a vehicle's brakes, transmission, and suspension systems over time. Additionally, the heavy traffic on Highway 288 during rush hour times often leaves little room for evasive maneuvers, making it harder to avoid road debris, road hazards, or unexpected stops. In some cases, especially during the extreme heat in Houston during the summer months, overheating can become a concern for many drivers, especially for older vehicles. Unfortunately, the heavy traffic on Highway 288 increases the chances of road rage incidents or aggressive driving, which can lead to poor decisions and unsafe behavior. Another area of concern for some drivers is accidentally entering the toll road on 288. Some drivers find the signage a little confusing and end up on the toll road portion of 288 when they had no intention to do so. Moreover, drivers will notice the road repair barriers on Highway 288. They are far enough away from the traffic that hitting the barriers is a very low probability. Overall, Highway 288 only has minor issues in the Houston area and through Pearland. Just some aesthetic blemishes along the way that may be more of an eyesore than a problem for your automobile or safety.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.